All right, everybody, thanks for joining us here today. I'm Jonathan Snyder with Snyder's Landscapes. We specialize in landscape design and landscape lighting installation, and we just wrapped up this awesome project here in Maitland, right off the lake. We have a lot of cool things I want to show you, so come on, let's go take a look. All right, on this project, I wanted to do something a little bit more special. We have these beautiful columns here on the entryway, right on the precipice before we go down our long driveway. And to highlight these two columns here, what we did is we core drilled down into the ground, cut out a hole inside of the pavers, and that allowed us to sink in a light that's gonna be flush with the ground, so you don't have, obtruding structures and fixtures shooting at them. It looks a lot more clean, they're safe, you can drive over them, and it really makes for a nice entryway. Now, like they say, big things come in small packages, and I got one of those packages right here. This FL50 is doing a big deal on this palm tree. Now, by the looks of it, you don't think it's gonna light this whole thing up, but in fact, with the broad range that this has, pushing 450 lumens, it's able to cover all this bad boy. So the front of the house is looking really good, but I can't wait to show you the back. This is where the magic is. We have a boat dock that's lit up, we got underwater lights, we have two massive oak trees, we got surfboards that we lit up, we have around the pool, pathway lights. We did the whole gamut back here. So come back here and check it out with me. Here in the backyard, we have two major attributes. We have these cathedral oaks, and they are huge, and they take a lot of light to cover. So we have three BL 400s pushing 700 lumens, covering the canopy, the trunks, everything that this tree has to offer back here. I mean, these are a massive, massive tree, and it's a great aspect of this backyard, and that's why I wanted to cover it so well. So these lights do a great job of that. It's not only what the light shines on, it's also the shadows that creates. It creates a really nice depth in the tree, and it opens up the backyard to look even larger. Not only did we do that, on the right side over here, we have a ton of light on the bougainvillea, the sagos, and what that does is it creates a lot of continuity through the entire backyard where everything seems lit up and it's well balanced for us. And also, as a fun factor, they have these really nice surfboards, to go out on the lake, and I really wanted that to be lit up as well. So we have this bamboo that we have lights mounted into the wood, and it's casting light on there, creating a really nice effect in the evening time. All right, so we're coming to a close on our lighting journey here, and I wanted to show you last but not least, we have this incredible boat dock with this killer wakeboard boat behind me. And I didn't want any of this to get lost in the midst of everything that was happening back here. So when my client is entertaining there, this thing is not lost. So what we did was we mounted a bunch of lights, BT 400s up in front and behind, and not only that, we mounted waterproof lights underneath the dock. So if this water level were to ever rise, they're totally submergible and safe. And now he has the opportunity to change the color of his dock, color of the boat with the lights, blue, green, red, whatever's in the color hue to his liking. Whatever mood he has for the day, he can show it here on this dock. And it's a really great way to kind of give this property a nice elevation. So if you guys have any questions or want any ideas on how you can elevate your property, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to walk through your yard with you. And until next time, I'll see you then.